The Meghalaya Trader Fresh Vegetables and Ginger Association, representing various agricultural groups, including the Khasi Jaiñtia Food Vegetables Association, the Shillong Trader Farmers Association, the Ïewduh Khasi Pnar Association, and the Fresh Green Ginger Association, Bhoi, along with leaders of the Federation of Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo People, the FKJGP Agriculture Cell, met with Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong on the 9th of May 2024. Their objective was to highlight the daily challenges they face in marketing agricultural produce. President of the association, Bhoi, addressed the media today, expressing concerns about the poor condition of roads in East Jaiñtia Hills district, which hampers the transportation of agricultural goods to other parts of the state. Additionally, Bhoi mentioned the financial burden on drivers due to high toll fees and the significant loss incurred by farmers when their perishable products are delayed at these toll gates. He also lamented the difficulties caused by no-entry zones in Shillong, enforced by state authorities, making it challenging for farmers to unload their goods on time. In response, Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong has assured the farmer representatives that he will convene a meeting with relevant state government departments to address these pressing issues promptly, informed Bhoi.
Tahun kalian yang ke Meghalaya Trader Fresh Vegetable and Ginger Association terdekat ke Shillong di South Lee ke Association. Kujuru namta kiri ke Association baju penyak mentubian kali jadi perlu jadi marab. Dan taksi lambat ini alur ba kawan kecil ke baju seni plat ke surau ke kuliang rata syara Shillong style marba kursiin kecil seni untuk surau adu entah nak kalian di kali bakit itu marab kemlak cuma poi kupor mabiang namar ba tentang sakut no tu bacaka kamtam menta bala slap tentang kecing la cuma poi kamarab ba hakapor mabiang dan nak terkedau kalau kita sebun ba yaki supplier ke baju penjajau ki marab nak kena jelas ki mai pergi jelas bat kunjuru ya ki kaliru dan terkedau kecing sakut kali hang tai kalau kita sebun ba iki no rep kunjung namar backan poi kamar kasniu no kamar kino rap ke sim jinge ba pakai kakta ajur namar ba dai mat kadua kemur jung kino rap mar ka ar namar ba ke jingthau yaki marap ke ciperung cubur ki wiprej mar ke jingnon jung ini ki diskursil ba sim taksi ki marap pada ki pai ka wiprej tentang dalam mit tentang ki bul sakit depan sim jinge depan mar ki sya cerong ketiru gitu ki wiprej juga umling dari rata syara klik tersi dari nak terkenal bagi lepas Prestone syah Deputy Chief Minister taksi buat kumjuru mereka nutri nomor ba tentang kebolong matahi kamarap kawan nak celah asam syah kena celah buat nak wik celah kiwan poi sini nomor ba kadang dai ka yom poi kamar ba nabar syah kena celah kejungi tentang kesyabat nutri no agni ka mau boleh nomor kawan untuk thai mau kena tai syabat nutri dah mesti pada jamir jadi la kata ya ka kaput no to kamar no poi sini kesniu no